Okay, this game is pretty simple. There are Julia and Gary, two players. Julia is in charge of this territory, and Gary is in charge of this territory, this section. Julia has drawn three scenes: a river, a tree, and a house. A river, a tree, and a house. Gary has drawn three scenes too: a flower, a pig, a truck. So the rule is pretty basic. Julia has to hide somewhere. Julia is here. Is Julia. Julia is behind the river. Gary is in the truck. So Julia is a girl. She can go first. It's Julia's time to shoot. Okay, Julia shoot in this way. Okay, here is she, is her, and Gary is here. So if she shoot in this way, she makes a straighter line. She wins. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God, this is pretty hard. This line is not straight at all. And now it's Gary's turn. Gary has to shoot from here, and he has to target her here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Gary wins the first round. And let's move to the second section. The second round now is Gary's turn. Gary says, I'm on the pig. I'm on the pig. And Julia says, I'm in the house. Okay, Gary has to shoot first. 1, 2. It's not very straight. Anyway, I think it's not very straight, right? Now it's Julia's turn. Julia has to shoot from here to Gary on the pig. Okay. What? I think Julia is going to win. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, absolutely. The second round, Julia wins the second round. So now I'm going to note it down. Julia 1 point, Gary 1 point. So the last round is the crucial moment for this game, and we will decide who will win this game. Okay. Where are you, Julia? I'm on the tree. Julia is on the tree, right? Where are you, Gary? I'm next to the tree, next to the flower. Since Gary has won the second one, Julia has won the second round. Okay, Julia goes first for this round. Julia is here, and Gary is here, on the tree, next to the flower. What? Oh my God, it's too hard. I think Gary will win. Okay, it's Gary's turn. Gary, it's your turn. Okay, the target is here. Gary's here. 1. Oh my God, it's too hard. And Julia wins this game. Julia wins this game. Julia finally has won this game. Julia got 2 points. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And Gary has got 1 point. Okay, this game is pretty simple. You can practice a lot, and you can master in, on, in front of, behind, etc. Okay, guys, if you like this game, just give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.